Hey guys, it's Arena. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is a little bit random, but I realized that I haven't done one of these like about me kind of videos in a really long time. I do have quite a few new subscribers, so welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. But I'm going to do a about me tag. It's like a pretty old tag. Yeah, I don't know if anyone still does it, but I'm not going to do all the questions because some questions are really weird. So the first question is, I'm going to skip through these. I'll say the question. Yeah, okay. So what's your full name? My full name is Arena Lou. Where are you from? I'm from Australia, born and raised, which isn't in the best condition right now, but is normally a very beautiful place. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is obviously baby pink. I really like light colors, so I like light pink, light purple. I love lavender. Lavender's beautiful. I classify lavender as my favorite color, but I just wear a lot more pinks and cream. I love beige and cream. I love light blue, mint, light green, light yellow colors. I feel like are so pretty. What is your favorite drink? Calpico original. The blue original Calpico is probably my favorite drink, and I also love milk tea. Earl Grey milk tea with herbal jelly. It's great. I love tea. Actually, yeah, I'm a tea drinker. Favorite genre of music is probably lo-fi, as you guys probably know. Lo-fi and like pop, hip-hop kind of is really good. R&B, love R&B as well. Favorite physical activity. I used to play badminton back in high school, and I love playing badminton. I haven't played in so long, I really miss it. But I love playing badminton. What is my favorite snack? Hot chips probably. I love hot chips. What is your favorite time of day? That's a good question. What is my favorite time of day? I like nights because I stay up a lot at night, but I feel like the afternoons when it's warm, because I love warm weather. Like afternoon when it's warm and sunny, that's like the best time of day because you just feel like at peace, but I like staying up late too. Favorite type of clothing. I think my favorite type of clothing, probably shorts. I'm such a massive shorts girl, but I'm getting so into dresses and I want like 100 different dresses. But I'm OG shorts. Love a good pair of shorts. Favorite way to pass time. Probably not the best way, but I love watching a good TV show. I love Netflixing TV shows, animes. Definitely a time waster, but definitely my favorite pastime. What is all-time favorite town or city and why? Tokyo. I love Japan. I miss it so much. I want to go back, but probably won't be happening anytime soon. My favorite. What is your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is probably Anne with an E. I loved Anne with an E. I feel like I've never felt that strong of like a love for a TV show as I do with Anne with an E, but I also do really like kind of junky shows as well. I feel like Anne with an E is like a good TV show, but I like some trashy shows. I love Dynasty. I just think it's really good. The OC was really freaking good too. I don't know, is there anything else that I like? I just really can't think of anything right now. Oh, I really liked The Good Place. The Good Place was really good. Such a funny, cute show. Oh, like, yeah, okay. Are you a fan of any sports? Are you a fan of any sport teams? Honestly, I'm a fan of Karasuno in Haikyuu. That's probably like the only sports that I follow. Okay, I recently started watching Haikyuu. It was like recommended to me on Netflix, and for the longest time I haven't really been watching any animes. I feel like for a good year or so I just like stopped watching anime because I used to be so into it back in high school, and then I got really bored during quarantine, so I started rewatching a few old animes that I used to watch that were like on Netflix now. So I started watching them. Anime started getting recommended to me all the time, and then Haikyuu kept on getting recommended to me, and I was bored one day, so I just put it on. I don't even know why I'm watching this. Like, I don't think I'm gonna like it because I don't ever watch sports action animes. Most of the time if I watch a sports or an action anime, it has to have like a little bit of romance in it to make me a little bit interested, because I like romance shows. Gosh, it's so bad. But yeah, I just started watching it and I'm honestly so obsessed. It's so freaking good. And yeah, that's probably the only sport team that I'm following at the moment. Karasuno, I love Hinekama too. Those two teams are so cute. Actually, there's so many good teams in haiku. Don't even get me started. Can you do this with no? Can you touch your nose with your tongue? I doubt it. Can you whistle? Barely. Can you dance? Nope. Do you save old greeting cards? Why are these questions so weird? Do you sing in the shower? Of course. Who doesn't? Do you sleep with the lights on or off? Off. I literally need to sleep in dead quiet, pitch black. Because I get so irritated when there's a sound. It annoys me. And if I can like feel the light, it annoys me too. Like sometimes even my charger light pisses me off. But okay. Do you prefer kissing or cuddling? Honestly, both is good. Do you have a whole lot of acquaintances or just a few very close friends? Honestly, I feel like I only have a few very close friends. I don't know that many people. I don't have that many friends. Do you have any allergies? No, but I kind of am allergic to dust, if that counts. Do you have any birthmarks? If so, where? Yes, I do. You guys have probably seen it in a few of my videos, but I have like a little duck birthmark on my arm. Looks like a duck. But yeah. Do you believe in love at first sight? Yeah, I feel like you can love someone. Actually, no. I feel like there's like crush at first sight. You look at someone and you're like, oh cute, crush. But I don't think it's like love, like I'm gonna literally love everything about you. Actually, I don't know. As a romantic, I would love to believe in love at first sight, but I feel like for me, I don't think I could believe in love at first sight. For myself, personally. Who performs the most random acts of kindness out of everyone you know? Probably my sister. Probably my sister. She always buys me food and stuff. What is your idea of special time together? Quality time, doing something cute is special time together. What is the most used swear word? Probably shit. What is your star sign? I'm a Libra. Hey, to my Libra gals and boys out there. What is something that amazes you? Probably the world. Actually, the stars. The moon, the universe is pretty amazing. What is an ideal first date for you? Probably like a cute coffee date would be such a cute first date. Even a dinner date is a really cute first date. I don't know, anything that includes food I feel like for a first date is cute. Or like movies, you can't even like talk to them, so that kind of sucks, but like talking over food is a really cute first date. What is on the top of your bucket list? Traveling. I want to travel, I miss it. What is something you look for in a partner? What is with all these romance questions? What is something that I look for in a partner? Someone sweet, kind, knows how to treat a gal, charismatic, fun, chivalrous. Okay. What scares you about aging? Probably dying. Jokes. Actually, I think the thing that scares me the most about aging is losing your memory. Or, like not being able to remember things. That's so sad. I don't know, that's just so sad. How different is it for you to be honest when your words may be hurtful or unpopular? Honestly, very hard. Actually, no, probably not. I feel like as I age, I become less filtered and I just say whatever I think. But at the same time, actually, yeah, probably not that hard. I feel like when I was younger, I used to be really like white-lied and I'd always just say things to be nice. But now I'm kind of like, I feel like all the people that I'm friends with now, I'm close to, that I'm okay being unfiltered to them. Because I know that they won't take it personally. Well, I hope so. I feel like I'm pretty unfiltered. I say some mean things sometimes. Which store would you choose to max out your credit card? Which store would I choose to max out my credit card? Or like online store? Probably Yes Style, because they have so many cute clothes. In person, probably a food place to eat. Buffet. Actually, you'd probably get full really fast. I feel like if I was gonna max out my credit card in an in-person store, it'd probably be Uniqlo. I love Uniqlo. Or even Muji. Oh, Muji is so cute. Would you ever consider living abroad? I really want to. I feel like it would be such a good experience. Have you ever dated 2 people at a time? No, I can't even get 1 person to like me, let alone 2, please. What age did you go out on your first date? Honestly, I didn't start dating till really, really late. if that even counts as dating. What age did you go on your first date? Oh, my first date. So not girlfriend, boyfriend, but first date. Probably like high school. I mean uni. Like in uni, I don't even think I didn't even talk to anyone in high school. So probably like when I was 20, I mean 18. 18, yeah, 18, 19 probably was when I went on my first date. After a breakup, would you rather be alone or be surrounded by friends? Surrounded by friends. Okay, alone for the first day that I break up with someone, and then after that, friends. What female celebrity do you wish was your sister? Rosie from Blackpink. She'd be such a... Actually, Jisoo. I feel like Jisoo would be such a good sister. She's so funny. What flavor of tea do you enjoy? I enjoy a lot of different teas. Green tea, chamomile tea, lemon and ginger tea. I actually really like Earl Grey tea. People don't like Earl Grey tea because it tastes like flowers, but I like it. What is one thing you'd rather pay someone to do than do yourself? I don't know. Drive me around. Because I don't have my license yet. What is the last compliment you got? Honestly, I haven't got a compliment in so long. Being in quarantine. Actually, I get compliments online sometimes on my Instagram, so thank you to those of you that comment on my Instagram pictures. Lots of love. What is the most boring movie you've watched? What is the scariest movie you've watched? I've recently started watching Slasher on Netflix season 3 because it literally just started on season 3. It was so freaking scary. I'm not good with horror, but one of my best friends said she watched it and she liked it, so I gave it a shot, but it was freaking scary. What is the worst grade you've ever got on a test? Probably something that I failed. What is on the walls of your room you are in? Aha, this is my bedroom and I have like anime posters and pictures of my family. That's pretty much it. Yep. What is something about yourself that you hope can change but probably never will? So, my height? Something about myself that I hope I can change but probably never will. Yeah, I wish I was taller, but I'm not. Where were you on Valentine's Day? Probably hanging out with friends. Where would you want to retire to? Somewhere warm, somewhere beautiful. What is the one item you can't leave the house without? Of course, my phone. Are you a morning person or a night owl? I'm a night owl. I cannot wake up in the morning to save my life. I really wish I was a morning person because, you know, being productive, like a lot of people are more productive in the morning, so I wish I was a morning person, but I'm not, which sucks. I need to like fix that. That's something that I want to work on as well, being a morning person. What time do you usually get up in the morning? Oh, that's so bad. Probably it like literally ranges from 10 AM to 12 PM. It's not a great time. Especially now being in the pandemic and in lockdown, my sleeping habits are so bad. What time do you usually go to sleep? So late. Anywhere between 12 AM to 3 AM, I want to say, is when I usually sleep. What is the first thing you do when you open your eyes in the morning? Oh. Hello? One thing that you know now that you wish you had known as a kid. I feel like it's just be yourself. Eventually you're gonna grow into the person that you were supposed to be, so don't try so hard to be someone that you're not. When making an entrance into a party, do you make your presence known or do you slip in and look for someone you know? Probably that. What are some of your bad habits? Lazy. So lazy. What was your first job? My first job was working at McDonald's. You know, like pretty much everyone's first job, but yeah, that was my first job. If you could have any job, what would you do / be? If I could have any job, like without failing, I feel like for fun, I would love to be an actor. I feel like it's just so cool. Yeah, an actor. Or I'd want to own a business. Yeah. What dream have you given up on as unrealistic? Probably my singing career. I'm never gonna be a K-pop star. It's never gonna happen. Being a magic girl, never gonna happen. My anime and my K-pop dreams are gone. What is hard about being a parent? I'm not a parent, but I believe raising a child would be very difficult. What is hard about not being a parent? What is hard about not being a parent? What? What is the most difficult thing you've done for love? Be dumb. What did you do for your last birthday? I went to a restaurant with my friends. It's very nice. What do you dress up as on Halloween when you were 8? I didn't do Halloween when I was 8. I'm not American. Didn't celebrate Halloween when I was 8. Live in Australia. What did you want to be when you grew up? Honestly, I don't even know. I feel like I wanted to be like a doctor or something. Like something that my parents were probably like, you should be a lawyer or a doctor. And I was like, yeah. That never happened. What do you consider unforgivable? What do I consider unforgivable? Killing. But I feel like cheating I consider a little bit unforgivable. But I've never dealt with it, so I don't know how I would actually respond to that situation. But to me, I feel like cheating is probably really unforgivable. Is there any item you collect? Yes, earrings. I collect so many earrings. Earrings. I collect keyrings as well. I really like keyrings. And makeup probably, but makeup isn't really a collection. What do you hoard? Are you a hoarder? For sure I'm a hoarder. I literally have the hardest time throwing things away. Do you know how to pump your own gas? No. As I said, I don't drive. Do you love dancing? I really wish I could dance. Like honestly, I feel like dancing would be so much fun. The longest period you spent in a hospital? Probably a few hours. Most ridiculous thing you've had to visit the hospital? But when I was really young in primary school, I was at my sister's play, because in primary school we used to put on theatres and stuff, and it was actually so much fun. But it was my sister's, like I think it was always the older kids, 5 and 6s used to put on the shows, and it was my sister's year, and we were going to watch her perform, and we were buying snacks at the canteen, and I ate one of those cool lollies, the really large Sophia lollies, the white ones, the mint flavoured ones. And I like choked on it, and like I had to go to hospital, and I felt so bad because we literally missed my sister's whole performance because I freaking choked on a lolly. So embarrassing. And then my sister was like to me, oh yeah, like my friends came up and told me that you choked on a lolly. It was so embarrassing. Can't even deal. But yeah, that's probably the most. Oh, my camera's dying. Okay, one more question and it's gonna be the last question. What do you do most when you're bored? Watch shows. That's boring. What do you find yourself always procrastinating? Work? The shit.